Box is up and welcome to another episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Today I'm doing my first ever keto product review. So stick around and find out what's in the box. Alright folks, so given that I live in India, I don't really get a lot of keto products sent to me for review or for anything else. For the first time ever, a company called Growfit from Bangalore has sent me some keto products. I have no affiliation to this company. They do want to work with me, but we have not got any deal going or anything. So what you're going to see from me is a complete unbiased review of everything. And it looks like a lot of interesting stuff. So let me show you first what they sent me. Alright. So here they've sent me baking flour, half a kilo, a sample. Now it doesn't say what's in it, so I actually need to contact them and find out what goes into this. I will do separate videos for a lot of products that might require something more than just looking at the bag. So for example, this baking flour, I need to bake something with it, so I'm going to find out what they put in this and we'll do a special episode where I bake something using this. Okay, so here they've sent me a sugar replacement package. It says this sweetener is a blend of stevia, erythritol, isomalt and fructo-oligo-scotch, a prebiotic, sugar replacer prebiotic. So yeah, now I did some research about isomalt because I had some candy with it, and isomalt is actually doesn't spike your blood sugar apparently, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to use this in a recipe and see what the deal is. Okay, so here they have sent me an ultra low carb roti flour. So obviously Indians love their naans and chapatis, and this is Growfit's, well, ultra low carb roti flour. The equivalent of what you call tortillas in the US probably. That's the intention. So you get those low carb tortillas in the US. This is effectively the Indian version of that same thing. So it says keto friendly. Let's go through the ingredients. Flaxseed meal, almond meal, soya beans, isolated wheat protein, resistant starch, sesame seeds, added minerals and vitamins, anti-caking agent and chicory root extract. So 100 grams of this flour has 35 grams of carbohydrates, from which 18 grams are fiber. So this is again one of the products I think I'm going to have to do a separate video of. I spoke to them specifically about this product because if it is good and it works, it'll be fantastic. So they said they actually did a blood keto meter test after eating this, and it does not spike your blood sugar and your insulin. I will do again a separate video. This stuff I can't. What am I going to do? Open it up and taste it? No, I'll have to make a roti out of it. Another sort of reviewable product at this very moment, but right now I'm just showing you what they've sent me. Ooh, ketogenic coconut flake cereal, not one, not two, but three. And it's strawberry, vanilla and chocolate. Alright, so this is interesting. A lot of people miss cereals on the keto diet. So this is a coconut flake cereal, low carb, keto friendly, high fiber, high protein. It says 21 grams net carbs per serving of 100 grams. Yes, that is it. 21 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams, from which 11 grams is fiber. And it has almond meal, chia seeds, coconut milk powder, erythritol, coconut flakes, casein powder, whey protein concentrate, strawberry flavor, flaxseed meal, xylitol, isomalt, stevia, chicory root extract, FOS. That's a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, another video. Oh man, another video with you. Yeah, so this goes into the review pile, I guess. That's a lot of videos, guys. I hope you're ready to watch a lot of Headbangers Kitchen. Some more stuff here. Wow. Okay. These little ultra low carb vegan, ultra low carb meal replacement. So these are basically like shakes that you drink if you don't want to eat food, I guess. And they send me quite a few of them. Like, there's a lot. So yeah, there's a lot of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna, alright, this is their chocolate smoothie, which has 8 grams of carbs per packet. That's, well, I guess you're eating a whole meal here. And it's got coconut milk, MTC oil, casein powder, whey protein, minerals, vitamins, erythritol, vanilla powder, cocoa powder, anti-caking agent, calcium lactate, xylitol, xanthan gum, isomalt, stevia, chicory root. Man, they put a lot of stuff in these products. But yeah, so I'm going to make this again. I'm going to have to do a separate video for this. But there is some stuff that looks like I could review it right away, which is interesting. Okay, so these meal replacements will also be checked. I will ask the company to send me their ketone reading if they've done it for this product as well, like they did for the atta. And here comes some more stuff. Ooh. Okay, so there was a peanut butter cookie which came with this, which we have finished. It wasn't bad. It was not the worst thing I've eaten, and it was not the best thing I've eaten either. But it had 3 grams of carbs per 2 cookies or per cookie. So not something you can eat all the time, but it was not a bad tasting cookie, especially if you just want something to munch on and you don't have time to cook. Now what do I have here? So okay, first I've got, and this is an Eggless Flax almond cracker. So what I'm gonna do is, this has almond meal, flaxseed meal, cheddar cheese, seasoning mix, oligofructose, I'm assuming that's part of stevia, and baking powder. So best consumed with cheese or dip of your choice. Okay, let's try this. It has, whoa, okay, so that's 29 grams of carbs per 100 grams, out of which 21 is fiber. So technically 100 grams of this product is 8 grams of carbs net. And this box is, the whole box, where's the weight written? Where's the net weight? 600 seriously, where's the weight of this box? 100 grams. Okay, this entire box is 100 grams, so it is 600 calories. It is high in fat, 44 grams of fat, and it's got 24 grams of protein. So vegetarians, here's your savior. Indian vegetarians who don't eat egg. Okay, let's just open it up. It's quite a big box for cookies, or crackers rather. Interesting. So I'm assuming they use the plastic box because it prevents the crackers from cracking. But yeah, that's a lot of packaging. Too much plastic. There's the bag of crackers. So okay, this looks like it would be a nice snacky item. Now to open it, and we're going to cut, and you're going to find me with the open packet because I'm going to use my teeth to open it, and I don't want to show you that on camera unless you're into that kind of stuff, in which case I'll make you a separate clip. Alright, so the packet is open. It has a nice smell actually. It smells quite nice. It's got like almost like a little masala cracker smell. I've had this in some stuff before. It's quite nice. Okay. It's not bad. It's got a slight cheese taste to it, so I have to say this is actually not bad. Like they recommend having this with some more cheese or a dip. You know what? Yes, this is not bad. This is better than the peanut butter cookie personally, I think. What can I say? It's got some crunch, it's got some taste. Doesn't taste too much like flaxseed. I think this one is good, and I give it the thumbs up. Alright, the next one is their best breakfast bar. Let's open it up. Okay, I really don't like these plastic boxes, but I assume they packaged it in a plastic box so that it doesn't get squashed. So it's just for my convenience, I think. Interesting. It says low carb and keto friendly, 10 net grams per bar, under 10 net grams per bar. Yep, it's got 20 grams of carbs, from which 11 are fiber. What have they used? Dark chocolate, almond meal, ghee, erythritol. Ooh, maltitol. Is that how you pronounce it? That's not supposed to be good, is it? I need to do my research a little bit, but it's got that in it, whether you like it or not. It's got minerals, vitamins, almond, sunflower seed, whey protein, pumpkin seeds, glycerine, xylitol, flaxseed meal, isomalt, stevia, chicory root, white kidney bean extract, and curcumin. Okay, that's interesting. That's a lot of stuff I don't know. I feel like I should have had my laptop here and googled everything so I could clarify what is what, but that would take a separate video. I'm just going to eat this and tell you if this tastes good. But yeah, it says polyols may have a laxative effect. So if I run to the bathroom and abruptly shut this video, you know what happened. Anyway, let's try this. Okay then, that didn't go quite well. Okay, so inside this big wrapper was this tiny wrapper. Now I gotta open this. How much plastic is being used? Do we really need to use so much plastic? Okay, wrapped in foil as well. I'm assuming because chocolate and they don't want it to melt. Interesting. So one thing is it's not an even uniform shape, which means I feel a little more comfortable with it, like it's handmade. Because normally if it's like made in a factory with like super processed stuff, it comes in uniform perfect shape. So this looks like a little more rustic. But yeah, let me bite into this. Okay, it looks good. Looks like a chocolate bar. Let me not get chocolate on my hands. Alright, there it is. Smells interesting. I can't really place that. Slightly cheap vanilla. Yeah, that's all I can smell. Okay. It's not bad, but it's got a little bit of a strange taste. So here's the thing. I'm a gourmet loving food chap. So for me, I would never eat this stuff. Like, I can see people who don't really care about food eating this because it's like, yeah, it's got a slight sweet taste to it. It's got whatever nutrients you need, hitting your fat macros and all that. But as a connoisseur of good food, I find this to be very average. I can see people enjoying this, especially on keto, because people feel very deprived of things. So I think their sort of standard for food drops a little bit. It's like, I can't eat a good chocolate bar, so I'll be satisfied with just any chocolate bar that tastes anything like chocolate. So I do see people enjoying this, and I can see myself maybe nibbling a piece of it after lunch, but I don't know, would I go and buy one? I'm not so sure. Let's see what the price is. Is there a price on it? It's 150 bucks Indian rupees, which is $2.50 approximately. It's not super cheap. It's not super expensive either. I mean, yeah, okay, I could go on and on saying the same thing, but bottom line is, it's not bad to have once in a while. We'll have to look in on those ingredients and see which ones are worth sort of looking at with a microscope more closely. However, the guy who I met from the company did say that they were looking to get rid of maltodextrin or whatever that thing is from all their products, because that's not very keto friendly apparently. But for what it's worth, I give it a 5 on 10 because I'm a diplomatic guy. Yeah, 5 on 10. But it is sweet. It's more, I won't call it a breakfast bar. I'll call it a chocolate bar with nuts. Anyway, now they have a Almond Keto Bar. Again in a plastic box. Oh, cool. There are 3 in here. Woohoo! I guess I could give a friend one. Okay. So now this says dark chocolate, heavy cream, maltitol, coconut flakes, whey protein isolate, casein powder, almond meal, erythritol, xylitol, isomalt, stevia extract, chicory powder, FOS. This has exactly 8 grams of carbs per serving. And the serving size is 1 bar, which is 24 grams, and this little packet is got 2 servings in it. So this is definitely high in carbohydrates. Let's open it up. I will use my teeth again and we will cut to the opening of it. Aha! It's like a Kit Kat. Like 2 Kit Kats in one. More plastic again. Why is there so much plastic on everything? Alright, so got it open. Let's try one of these Kit Kat like bars. This is their almond thing bar or whatever. Ooh, looks pretty. Look. Oh, you can't see it, there's focus. But looks pretty. This actually smells like chocolate. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like nice dark chocolate, not like that which smelled like some vanilla. No. Yeah, no. I don't want to be rude and I like being diplomatic, but no, that's just not happening. It doesn't matter what's inside that. That's really not, that does not taste good. No. But yeah, I guess I'm done with this review now. A lot of other products, I will review them in separate videos because I have to make them. I'll show you how to make them as well. And I guess I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep ketoing. Hey folks, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Headbanger's Kitchen. If you want to see more review videos like this, please leave me a comment below. And if you don't want to see review videos, please let me know as well in the comments below. And I will see you soon, my friends. Till then, check out another Headbanger's Kitchen video. And yeah, okay. Cut.